Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on quick add on Snapchat. I will be just tap on it Snapchat and I will be just move in the top right corner option is the gear icon, and I will be just find the privacy and control. So here you will just make sure you will just find the quick add, but right over here I will be just show the see me in find friends because maybe my region is not acceptable for this quick add option. So I will just tap on it and turn it on, and I will be just move back, and I will be just tap on it this plus icon right over here. So here you will see I will be just see the option of find friends, not a quick add, but you will be just turn it on this option and you will be able to see the quick add. So my region may be not available this option, but in your region it's available. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.